Namaste. Once again, welcome to Raghavendra Yoga channel. Today, we are learning Jala Neti and help us to clean the nasal passage. We are going to inhale more than 50 billion dirt particle inside in every 1 hour. It arrives to bloodstream, causes many problems like sinusitis, headache, giddiness, and inflammation of the lungs wall, what we call bronchitis, etc. So we need to clean the passage. Very easy practice. All of them can practice this. Better to practice in the morning or in the night. You feel high with your breathing. You feel fresh. It relaxes your cells of brain because of good oxygen supply.
Benefits of Jala Neti. Daily practice helps to maintain the nasal hygiene by removing the dirt particle and mucus. It helps to prevent sinusitis and migraine attack. It helps to alleviate upper respiratory complaints like sore throat, tonsils, and severe cough. It can clear the eye duct to improve your vision. Clearing the nasal passage helps to improve the smell, which improves the digestion. It calms the nervous system and the cells of the brain. It helps to relieve stress. It helps you to improve quality of dharana and meditation. People have experienced a reduction of their anger by practicing Jala Neti. Use a neti pot filled with the lukewarm salty water. Means use a neti pot filled with the room temperature saline water to pour through the nasal passage. Stand erect with keeping the legs apart. Hold your neti pot in your right hand. Now slightly tilt your head towards the left. Now insert the nasal of the neti part into the right nostril. Start pouring the water in the right nostril slowly. Now open your mouth. You could experience the water is coming outside of the left nostril. You could experience the water is coming outside of the left nostril. You should practice either in the morning or in the night before going to sleep.
We will meet you in the next episode with a great yogic topic. Happy time.